Hey everyone, Michael here helping you guys figure out where Bitcoin is going. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum off of some great CPI data. CPI rose 8.5%, which is still bad, but not as bad as we expected. So let's talk about Bitcoin now and see where we're going next. So right now you guys are looking at Bitcoin's daily chart. You guys can see we've been generally going up and everything's been looking okay so far. Still moving in the upward trend. Nothing is stopping that right now. The concern that you guys should have over the next few days here is the last few times Bitcoin has been up at this level around the $24,500 to $25,000 level, we've been rejected each and every time. The first time right here, second time right here. Will it happen this time? We're not entirely sure, but you guys do have to be prepared for a rejection off of this resistance level of about $25,117. If we are unable to break above that level, you will most likely see Bitcoin hug around for a little bit, try a couple days in a row perhaps, and then start breaking back down towards $23,500. And then we have to worry about breaking down below this trend line. We're going to talk about that when we actually come down to it. But so far, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now is that I don't really find a reason to be buying. I see a reason to be holding or scaling out of the positions you guys would have bought somewhere down here. I don't want to buy too early. I want to wait for the confirmation of a breakout. That way I can make as much money as possible without putting too much risk on my shoulders here. If we take a quick look here at the 4-hour chart, you can see we're starting to slow back down just a tad. That's not too big of a deal, guys. We did end up breaking down below the trend line for a little bit of time last night, but the CPI data managed to make us rally back up here, so I did readjust that trend line here. It was a decent breakdown if you guys traded it, but it was only if you guys had some leverage in the game. Most people probably got hurt by their shorts there because it was a technical breakdown, but you did see the CPI data really just burn all the shorts out there, and I was somebody that had a few shorts out there on the market. Luckily I had a stop loss, so I really didn't lose too much. Now again, over the next few hours, you're really looking at that resistance level being 25,127. But as far as Ethereum is concerned, guys, this is where you guys might have a little bit more fun here. Now right now, same type of overall concept as what we talked about with Bitcoin. To me, Ethereum is at that scale out zone. We've had some issues breaking out above Fibonacci levels in the past, but so far, guys, we broke out, and the next Fibonacci level is way up here above $2,000. So Ethereum really does have room to run. If Bitcoin can at least just try to get back up towards 25,000, Ethereum may actually have one late night run back up here towards $2,000, which would be a really good show for a lot of you guys out there. The thing you need to be watching about right now, though, is earlier in the morning, you guys should start to see futures start to turn on and be green or red. If the futures start looking a little bit negative, right now they're green, you may see Bitcoin start to come back down. But for now, what I like about Ethereum is it still has this general uptrend. You're seeing it's having some monster surges still. And even on the daily chart, unlike Bitcoin, it's been able to hold the 20-day moving average here once, twice, 3 times, each time having a pretty sizable rally. I'm not buying right now, just like I said. I'm patiently waiting to see what goes on with Ethereum, but that next big level of resistance for Ethereum is really right up here towards, let's say 1880, all the way up here to that that $2,041 level. So this actually has more upside than Bitcoin right now, so I would actually recommend trading Ethereum over Bitcoin if you had to choose one or another. One coin that you may want to add on to your watch list later on today is maybe just Sol. It's having a little bit of a run up. I'll do a short on that in a little bit later. Thanks everybody and have a great rest of your day. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It does help out the video a lot.